You're talking stocks with Nora, the Stock Explorer.
Hey everybody, so we're in week 29. We just finished week 29. We're in the new account challenge. I added $100 each week, and I want to give you an update on where the account stands right now and just a few pieces of news that came out, and I'll tell you what stock that I bought this week, what stock I bought, and one that I think is at a fantastic price right now, guys. And in the news article I'm going to show you, you're going to see why. Now, before I get too far into the video, just want to welcome all the new people that are watching the channel, and also thank every single person that has shown so much support for my channel this year. Thank you guys for your continued support. Now, if you'd like to join the Capitalist Academy, I always provide the link up in the banner, and also I will put a link in the description. If you are a brand new trader and investor and you'd like to learn all the fundamentals and join a fantastic community and a private Discord that goes live Monday to Friday for 1 full hour market open, you're going to want to check my link out. You're going to get the first month free with my special code DISCIPLINE. Use code DISCIPLINE. I'll be happy to have you over there. Say hello to me. It's ran by Peter DiCarlo. I highly recommend it. I've been in the group for over a year. Fantastic community to be a part of. Alright guys, so the account stands at $3,466.72 as of this week. Okay, my available monies for dry powder is at $216.52. Alright, and I wanted to build that up. I built that up last week, but I did put the $100 that I was supposed to put last week. I put that in this week. I bought a stock, but I also caught up, and now I have that $216 in dry powder. I always like to have that on the side because you can buy in on a great dip. You can, if there happens to be a correction, right, you can buy in on that dip, and that's always important to have that money available to you. If you see an opportunity, you know, when you see a stock that looks like it's dipping down and about to bounce, well, that's a great time to pounce on it. So I'm always going to have a little bit of dry powder to add to my reserves for that reason. That's just a great way to go forward with your portfolios. Always have that on the side for you guys so you can take advantage. Okay, now I'm going to go through and I'm going to tell you about the stocks I have in here. If you're brand new, you'll see I have Alpine 4 Holdings, I have AMC, I have Crispr Therapeutics, I have Corsair Gaming, I have Dragonfly, Disney, Editas, HCMC, HYMTF, which is my wildcard penny stock. I have a Kiwa Biotech, which is KWBT. Okay, I have LAZR, which is Luminar Technologies, MO, which is Altria, PLNHF, which is Planet 13, guys, Planet 13, over-the-counter, and UAVS, Ag Eagle, and the Voozy Doozy, Vuzix. They do smart glasses. I'm sorry, I made a little mistake up here. HYMTF is Hyundai. It is not a penny stock. That is Hyundai. And I only have one share, and I believe I'm probably going to end up cutting that from the portfolio because I don't think I really want to build that one out. So yeah, so those are the stocks I have. But the stock that I bought this week is Crispr Therapeutics. I bought another share of Crispr, which brings my total to 2 shares of Crispr. They are a gene editing company, one of the founding companies in this field. Okay, they are one of the big dogs in this field. Now, if you go ahead and you right click here, I'm going to show you a little trick on Thinkorswim. This is TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim. You right click on that. We are in the monitor tab, which is the very first tab that you're going to see. And you go down here to view trade. So I'm going to show you proof that I did buy another share of Crispr on this week. And you can see every time I bought Crispr, I bought my first share on 6/3 of 21 for 110.44, and I bought my second share on 7/20 for a price of 124.32. I'm still up $4.88 on this stock pick. This was a great pick. Guys, overall, in general, this is a great time to get into Crispr. I'm going to show you over on the charts why. You can see this year, this is the 1 year, 1 day chart. What that means is that every candle here represents 1 day of 2021, and you can see Crispr got up to $220 already this year, right? So I could definitely see it getting past 200 and beyond. So buying in the 120s is a fantastic deal, and I'm going to continue to build this up, this position up, while these prices are at this fantastic price point. Now, another thing you can do, we'll go back to the monitor tab. You can right click on the stock name, and you can go ahead and you can look up some news items on here. I'm sorry. So you can go ahead, we'll right click, view trades, okay, and then we can look up some more info on Crispr and go ahead over to, let's see, so you can go to company news right there, and it's supposed to bring up the news article, but the news article is right here for you. You can also access that in the live news widget, which is over here on the left, and I'm going to read off to you why this is great news. Now, on July 21st, this article came out from Newswire, a Biotech article. And it's saying for most of the past year, just a handful of companies carried the biotech sector, thanks to the quick responses to the Rona situation. I'm not supposed to say certain words on YouTube, okay, guys, but you can see it says it right here, okay. You're probably familiar with the vaccine makers like Novavax, Moderna, and BioNTech, and Pfizer, right? All these stocks have exploded since the Rona happened, lighting a fire that helped lift the NASDAQ Biotech Index, NBI, to all-time highs earlier this year, okay? All right, now let's scroll down. Okay, despite the lift from the Rona situation, okay, biotech still lags the broader S&P 500 index since the whole situation began and really lost ground. Okay, so it is trending down a little bit as of recently. However, it has gained some momentum recently with new key approvals and hot initial public offerings coming to the market, and some new investors are enthusiastic about it. Okay, although the vaccine makers got most of the attention, the focus could turn towards other therapeutic areas, and the companies in the coming months after a recent regulatory win pointed to a potentially more friendly approval environment. This is very key. A more friendly approval environment from the FDA. Some major biotech trends include vaccines, other than ones that are connected to the Rona vaccines, gene editing, which is what Crispr does, cancer, and rare diseases. Guys, this is very important for humanity to work on these cures for different diseases. Of course, the big C is a major one. Alzheimer's is a major one. These companies are doing amazing, important work, and Crispr is a fantastic company. They cure the diseases at the root of the cause. You will not need medication. It goes into your genes and corrects it at the very source, okay? If you'd like to learn more about it, of course, Crispr has their own website, and you can read about it. Some people don't really enjoy reading or learning about the biotech because they find it maybe perhaps a little bit confusing. But I have done videos about CRISPR before. If you look through my list of videos, I try to break the information down in a very easy to understand manner for people that aren't very in tune to the type of medical science type of information, guys, so you can understand it. So that was my stock pick for this week. As you saw, I bought one more share, bringing it up to a total of 2. Okay, some other exciting news for this portfolio is Dragonfly is getting ready to uplist onto the NASDAQ. DFLYF is Dragonfly. It's a drone company. It's at a fantastic price. I bought it at an average cost of $1.61. It's only at $1.32 a share right now. As these companies begin to uplist onto the NASDAQ, they get a lot of attention, and you're going to see the stock price get a boost from that, guys. So I believe it is still over the counter at the moment, but it will not be for very long. Very, very soon you're going to see Dragonfly out at the New York Stock Exchange, ringing the bell, guys, and we're going to bring it into the NASDAQ. Very excited to see that. This is a great price to lock in on for Dragonfly. The drone age is coming very, very quickly. Soon you're going to see drones flying around delivering your packages, and you're going to start thinking about them more because you're going to actually see them up in the air. You're going to see them doing the package deliveries. Really exciting things that they're working on. All right, guys, so yeah, the portfolio's holding its own. It's doing okay, guys. We're in week 29, about to start week 30. It's been a tricky year, but I still love a lot of these stock picks, of course. That's why I selected them. And I think long term these are winners, guys. So yeah, check out CRISPR. Definitely would do you a favor to grab some CRISPR. In this price point near $120 will really go well over 200 probably sometime next year. You'll be very happy with that. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. Don't forget to join the Capitalist Academy. Come over there, get your whole first month for free, and tell them that Nori sent you. I am a mod over there and would be happy to welcome you into our private Discord, and we'll go live on Monday morning at 9:15. Would love to have you in the group, guys. Take advantage of that first month for free to see if it's for you. Great customer support and great one-on-one attention. You're not going to get that from a lot of your celebrity YouTubers in the finance space. They're not going to give you that one-on-one attention that they give you over there. Pete's going to give you that over in Capitalist Academy. So please use my link. I'd appreciate it. And I will see you guys over there. All right. Have a great trading week, and I'll talk to you soon, guys. See you later.
Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.